Hey friends, let's do Rocket Guitar Lesson by Def Leppard. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab to make it easier to follow along. So let's make a start. I'll play Guitar 1, the intro. And that's Guitar 1, and we're going to call that Riff 1 with the Riff 1 ending there. So we're just playing the open B, 3rd fret on the G, 4th fret on the D, and we do that 4 times. And then the last one we play the open E, open B, 3rd fret on the G, 4th on the D, and we do that through 7 times, so slowly. Repeat that 7 times. And the last part of Riff 1 we're going to do exactly the same. And then we're going to play the open E, open B, and just finish on the 3rd fret G there. So. And that's the end of Riff 1. So we're doing Riff 1 7 times and then putting that end on there. And that's Guitar 1. Now let's have a look at Guitar 2. So we play that for you. So we're just playing 2nd fret on the D, 4th fret on the G, open B and E, and we're playing it once and holding for a bar. And this starts after 2 times of the first riff. So 2, 3, 4, and then we just go D, 4, 3 on the G, open B, open E, play that and hold for a bar. And do that 3 times there, so it's pretty easy. Play that through 3 times, and then we have a 3rd guitar. Let's have a look at that. Let me play the 3rd guitar for you. So we're just starting with the bar in, play the open A string and let it come out slowly. And we're doing a pick slide. And then just play 2 on the D, 4 on the G, just an E power chord. And then just go to an F power chord and let your bar come in there. And that's the 3rd guitar there. Before we go on, if you enjoy this lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week, so let's get back into it. Then we have our verse. We don't play anything for 4 bars, and then we go back to Riff 1 again, but we play it through once and then put the end on there. So that's Guitar 1, and let's have a look at Guitar 2. So Guitar 2 is doing the same as our intro, our 2, 4, open and open, hold for a bar. And this is while that riff's playing, and then 4, 3, open, open for a bar. And that's our verse. We just go for another 4 bars and we're not playing there. Now let's have a look at the parts of the pre-chorus. We play Guitar 1 for you in the pre-chorus. So we're just playing the open A string, hold for a bar. Do it again, hold for a bar. Then 2nd fret on the A string, hold for a bar. Do it again, another bar. Then we're coming up to the D power chord. We're going to play 1, 2, and then 2 quick ones. And then again. Then come up to the E power chord, play 1, 2, 2 quick ones, and another 2 quick ones. And that's Guitar 1, so that last part. Now let's have a look at Guitar 2. Let me play Guitar 2 for you. So we're just starting with this A chord, but we're going to add the F sharp on the B string. So we have 7D, 6 on the G, 7 on the B and then 5 on the E and hold for a bar. Then just play the A chords, just take your little finger off, move up 2 frets to a B, and then we're going to add in the 10th fret on the B string. Then just go back to a D chord, play it 1, 2 quick ones. So it's the same as the other rhythm, and then an E. 2 quick ones, 2 quick ones. And that's our pre-chorus there. Let me play that last part. Now let's have a look at our chorus. Let me play that for you. So we're not playing the first part, the bass is doing just the F sharp there. Then we come in on the A power chord to the E power chord. Then just jump to a D and we just do a down, up, down. Back to the A, E, and then we do our F sharp power chord 2 times. Once, another 2 times. Then just play the A, the E, back to the F sharp 2 times. Once, and then do the D again with our down, up, down. And that's the chorus there. After the chorus, we've got this post-chorus, and we're just going back to riff 1. We do it 3 times, and we have the riff 1 end, so we're doing it 4 times there. Guitar 2 staying exactly the same with our chords and clean guitar there. And then guitar 3's heavy guitar. We're just playing the 2 on the D, 4 on the G, hold for a bar. To the F sharp, hold for a bar. And do that again. And that's the 3rd guitar there. Then we have the next verse. We don't play for 2 bars, and then we have the main guitar. So we're just playing the open E 2 times. Again, another 2. Then just play the 2nd fret on the E and use your bar to come in. Now the 2nd guitar is doing guitar swells. We're playing the same chords as before. 2 on the D, 4 on the G in the open. Play it, turn your volume up, and then do the same on the 4 and the 3, open and open. And do that 2 times, and that's guitar 2. After that, we just go back to riff 1 again, do it once, and our little end there, so we end up doing it 2 times again with a different end. And then we have guitar 2 is exactly the same as before with our chords there. And then we have this last little part. We're just going to play 2nd fret on the D, play it again, and pull off to the 1. So we have. And play it again, the 2nd fret on the D 2 times, and play it again 2 times. Come in with your bar there. Then from there we go back to the pre-chorus, then the chorus. After that we have all those little fills, so let's look at those as well. We play the first part for you. So we're using our bar start in and let it come out for each one. So 2nd fret D, then do the same on the 4th fret D, 5th fret D, 7th fret D, then do the open D, and 2nd fret on the D. Now there's a 2nd guitar there. Let me play that for you. So we're just doing a bend on 7th fret G, 9th fret G, back to 7th fret G, and then bend on 12 G and hold 10 on the B. Go back a fret, 11 and 9, do a bend there, back to 12 and 10, and then bend on 14 G and hold to 12. And that's the harmony to our bar there. So 7, let me play the next part for you. similar to the last part we did in the verse. Open E 2 times, again, again, then second fret on the E string with the bar, and just do that 2 times. And we have the swells again with the guitar, exactly like we did in the verse, 2 and 4, and then 4 and 3. And it does that 4 times there. So again, we're just starting with the open E 2 times, another 2, then do it once. Then we're coming up the 15th fret on the B and play the 12th fret on the E and bend the 15 3 times. Then play 14 E, 15 on the B and hold that 14 while you're doing it. And then just bend on 13 B and hold 10 on the E. Then we're just going back to the E again and we're doing groups of 2 6 times. Do that again. Then just play the E once. Then play our chord 2 4 open and open. Then we're just going to do a bend on 11, and there's actually 2 guitars doing this part here. There's one bending on the 11 G and holding the 12. Does that twice, and the second guitar comes in just playing that chord again. And then we have 5th fret on the A 2 times, go back to the 4th fret 2 times, and then 3rd fret, 3rd fret 2 times to the 2nd fret, and then do the E string 3 pull off to open, and 2 opens. And then just play 2nd fret on the A with the bar coming down. So that last little part. And they're all the little parts there. Let me play the next part for you. So we're just starting with an open E, 4th on the A, 4th on the D, and hammer onto the 2nd fret on the E. Then just play that F sharp 4 times, 1 2 3 4. Then do that again, except without the hammer on, so we're just playing the E, and then go back to the F sharp, 1 2 3 4. Then do the first one again. Then do it again. Then just play the open E and let it come in there. Then from there, guitar 1 is just playing the riff 1, do it 3 times, and then the end, so the riff 1 end. G2 or guitar 2 is doing the same with our chords. Then we have guitar 3, let me play that for you. So we're just starting on the 19th on the G, 17th on the B, and we're going to bend the 19, but start with your bar in. Then come back a fret, do the same. Come back 2 frets, do the same. Then come back to 14 and 12. Play the 14 and 12 again. Come up 2 frets, 16 and 14. And then finish on 19 and 17 with your bar in, and then keep pulling it up. And let it come out there. Then guitar 4 is just doing a harmony on that. We have 14 on the D and start with your bar in again. 13, 11, 9, 9 again, 11 and 14. And then the guitar parts there. From there we go back to the pre-chorus, back to the chorus, they're all the same. And then we have this last little end bit on the chorus, so let me play that for you. So we're just starting on the A string, 5th fret, back to 4, 5 on the E, then come up to the D string 7, do a pinched harmonic on 6, and then 7 on the A there. So. And just go back to the F sharp 2 times, another 2, and again, and then A, E, back to the F sharp, and again, and then D, A, E, back to the F sharp, this time stop, and one more. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed Rocket Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.